Well, hello everybody, it's Jenny again with your best deals at Dollar General that you know you want to know. So go ahead, give the video a thumbs up on your way in, and I'm going to tell you about it. We've got a sale that starts tomorrow, Thursday. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, you too, come on in, like the video on your way. And before we get to the good stuff, let's get you subscribed. That way you don't miss any good stuff, or deals, free stuff, or awesome information. And we have that stuff here all the time. So look below, hit the subscription button, do it right now so you don't forget, and that notification bell. And make sure that in your YouTube settings that all your notifications are on, everybody. Alright, thank you for stopping back by and for becoming a new crazy friend, if that's what you just did. We're in the store, we're doing a store field trip. If you're new here, that's one of the things we do. We're not just strictly slap you some deals and go. You're visiting with me. And sometimes we go to the store, sometimes we hang out at the house, sometimes we don't talk couponing. Sometimes we're just there for each other. And while I'm here saying that, thank you everybody for being here and there for me. Thank you very much. Now, suck it up, Jenny. I got this. I've got you some deals today that I'm going to tell you about, but you can't do them till tomorrow. But you don't want to miss them because they're only for 3 days. And if you're like me, I did not get in enough on the Coke deal from last week. I should have hit it harder, but I had a lot of stuff going on. And I wouldn't be needing to get more right now. Our philosophy here is get it while the getting's good. So if the price is good and the coupons are good, we find a way to squeeze it in. I mean, if I've got to go without a fancy lunch for a couple of days, that's fine, because I'll make it up when I don't have to purchase all this stuff at a higher price, okay? That being said, we've got the Coke products going on sale tomorrow, 3 for $15 again, but we also have a $2 coupon. Now, they're not as good as they was last week, and like I said, I really should have hit that regardless, but I did not. So now I'm going to have to do it a couple times this week. Now, this deal is good Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So if you would want to do it Saturday, you could pick up 6 of these 12 packs of Diet Coke, and you will be getting $7 off. $2 for your coupon, $5 for spending $25. So your out of pocket ends up being something like $23, something like that. Is your out of pocket for 6 Coke products, and you can mix and match. It doesn't all have to be the same Coke product. So this gives you a way to have a lot of variety and save a good chunk of money, because these things, if you do the 3 for $15, you're actually getting 2 of these 12 packs for free, pretty much. So saving over $20 on one transaction. Now, we also have the same type of sale starting with the Dr. Pepper, the A&W root beer, and the brands that go with that. Let's see, and it is here, 3 for $12. Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, RC Cola, 7-Up, Sunkist, and A&W root beer. And they end up being 3 for $10. So you could do 3 Coke products or 3 Dr. Pepper type products. Like I said, a great way to have variety for the summer, because you know it's right here, right now, okay? And we also have the Crush products, and Mountain Dew products, and Pepsi products, 3 for $13 with a $2 coupon off as well. That's just a standard sale that's going on now if you need them now. If not, you can also use that in the combination of drinks for your scenario, depending on what your preference is. So we have something for everybody and plenty of it. So if you are busy during the summer, if you're a late goer, you camp a lot, you got a lot of kids coming through your house, you need to hit these soda sales and hit them now, because all these sodas will end up being 50 cents or less. Okay, now let's go beyond the sodas. Okay, you don't do soda, you do juice. You got the VA Splash on sale right now till June 10th for 2 for $4. You're saving almost $1 off of 2, just like that. No coupons needed. And you do the waters. Well, if you do the Sunkist, it's an instant savings of $1. Again, a no coupon needed deal where you pick up 5 of the Sunkist drink sticks and you get 1 free. We also have the Crystal Light ones, if you do those, on sale for 2 for $4.50. They're regularly $3.25. No coupon needed. Oh, and these are the ones that we do have $1 coupon off as well. The Pure Kicks. These are hydration drinks. So if you do not do sodas, you can still take advantage of these. And don't forget, also on this sale is the body armor drinks. And the body armor drinks include the body armor waters. So if you like to do the sports waters, this is included with that sale. True Living foam plates, 85 plates. These are $4 normally. You got $1 off, and that's on your sale. There we go. Look at this. Regularly $5. Do you see how much money you're saving? Yeah. For one of these, it's going to be $3.95. No coupon needed. Alright, let's talk about coupons needed. Main reason for coming into the store. Now, we haven't done a paper glitch in a long time, but there's a really good one going around, but I don't have any paper coupons yet. I had to order them and they've not arrived yet. But if you've got Snuggle coupons, paper coupons, and they're out there, you can do this deal because we have got a Dollar General store coupon that is working on Snuggle, and that's on sale, by the way, $3.75. Purex, and all, and Purcell. Now, we don't have any digital coupons for the Purcell, but we can still get the Purcell at a super cheap price using this coupon. Okay? You're going to need a lenient store to start with. Now, there's also paper coupons out there for the all detergent, if you want to do the all detergent. Now, what you're going to need is the Snuggle coupons. There's $1 ones, I think, and there's $2 ones. Now, like I said, we've not done a glitch on these in a while. It's been reported that they are glitching. And let's talk about a paper glitch, because we've not talked about one in a long time, and, well, we've got new people. What is a glitch? A glitch is a coupon or offer that's not working correctly, or the way it's supposed to work. It's working in our favor, and we are taking advantage of it. Hear me when I say take advantage. Please read your coupons before you attempt to do the deal I show you, as it can be done. If you do not feel comfortable doing the deal the way I show you it can be done, simply use it the way it's supposed to work, and you'll still have a decent deal. Now, if you're using paper coupons, please don't do so unless you're 18 years old. If this is a digital glitch, then use it as many times as you want. Please and thank you. Now, please, this can be a moral dilemma. The choice is yours. You know what your needs are. Okay? Love you bunches. So, Anyway, let me tell you what's going on. The $2 coupon is attaching to the $2 Snuggle again. Used to do it all the time. We got free Snuggle all the time. But now it's going to be 15 cents. Okay? Now, when you spend $15, you're going to get $5 off. You're going to need a total of 5 of these Snuggles. You would think 4 would do it, but you're going to fall a few cents short. But, depending upon your store, it might. But 5 for sure, if they're $2.15. And if you can, use 5 of the $2 coupons. You know, and if not, well, use as many as you can. But we're going to say 5 of those coupons, if your store will allow it, because mine will. And we're going to get a per sale for $5.95. At this point, you're at $16.90. And what's going to come off, you're going to use your $2 paper coupons, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then you're going to get that $5 off. And that means you'll be paying $2, excuse me, 2, 4, 6, 8, $15, $1.90, excuse me, $1.90 out of pocket for all of these items, the for sale and 5 Snuggle. And well, that's better than a winner. That's almost like old times, guys. So give this a try. Use what you got. Alrighty. So there you go. You've got you an awesome paper glitch. It's going to give you all those products for under $6. Okay, price cut. No coupon needed deals, guys. $2.50 on the Corellan. That's a good deal. That's good stuff. I use it every day. You can almost get rid of your toilet bowl cleaners with that stuff right there. You spray your toilet bowl out and run a brush and you're done. And of course, your buy one get one free stem insect repellent. I'll definitely be doing that. Okay, let's not forget we also have an instant savings of $3 when you spend $16 on Scott. Now we have $1 off on Scott TP, and there's several ways that you can do the combinations of Scott products. We've got the big $10.95 Scott down below here, and we've got the $5 family packs. Now, you will fall 5 cents short right here. Go and scan the Scott toilet paper on the dollar aisle if toilet paper is all that you're looking for. Because if it attaches, and I'm not sure it does, to the $3 instant savings, then just grab that. If not, then you want to go for a big Scott toilet paper for $10.95 and the paper towels for $6.95. And that way you have plenty to get your $3 instant savings plus your $1 off. So it'd be a total of $4 coming off of the Scott deal. And remember, if you do this on Saturday, you're going to have to go over on your $25 by $3 to cover your instant savings. So there you go. You've got lots of sale items starting Thursday, and depending on when you watch this, could be tomorrow or could be today, but Thursday. You've got lots of ways to save. And thanks for stopping by, and we'll talk again real soon with lots of scenarios for you coming up. Blessings.